Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper and the question is related to electronics. The given figure is the voltage transfer characteristic of A. An NMOS inverter with enhancement mode transistor as load. B. An NMOS inverter with depletion mode transistor as load. C. A CMOS inverter. D. A BJT inverter. The right option for this question is C. The characteristic of V, the voltage transfer characteristics, that is nothing but output voltage versus input voltage, is related to CMOS inverter. CMOS inverter is nothing but which will be consisting of one NPN transistor and one PNP transistor. This is the diagram for the CMOS transistor. Okay, so let us assume we are going with this is a PMOS transistor and it will be connected with an NMOS transistor, and it is connected with ground, and this side it is given with VDD, and this point is nothing but V0, whereas it is V input. So generally this is PMOS and it is NMOS. PMOS will have a threshold voltage as VTP and NMOS will be having a threshold voltage as VTN. VTP is going to be negative and VTN is equal to positive. Threshold voltage is nothing but minimum amount of voltage that should be applied across gate such that a channel is formed so that it becomes on. The transistor comes into on condition if you apply minimum amount of input voltage, that is gate to source voltage, as VTP for PMOS, VTN for NMOS. Okay, both are of opposite type, so the threshold voltage for NMOS is positive and threshold voltage for PMOS is negative. And if you observe, okay, whenever V input is changing from 0 to 1, that is nothing but 0 volts to 5 volts. Let us assume we are going with changing. By that time V0 has to, since it is inverter, V0 has to change from, okay, initially it will be at 5 volts and later it will be coming towards 0 volts. Whenever input is changing from 0 to 5 volts, output has to change from 5 volts to 0 volts. In the meanwhile, it is increasing from 0 towards 5 volts, whereas it is output is decreasing from 5 to 0 volts. Both will meet at a point. That point is going to be called as inversion point, logic inversion point, or threshold, logic threshold point. That is called as, this is where V0 is equal to V input. If you draw a straight line with V0 is equal to V input, at that time it will touch the characteristic. Okay, it will touch the characteristic exactly at the middle. So by that time it will be called as like this, sorry. Okay, it will be the characteristics which we can call it as V input is equal to V output, which is called as V inversion or logic inversion point. At this point, okay, the change is going to be abrupt. If you observe, there is a sudden change from, this is VDD minus VTP, and here it is VTN. So at this point there is a sudden change, drastical change, which will be reduces by VTN plus VTP. This much voltage drop will be taking place at the output side abruptly. This abrupt change in the output at V inversion point is only takes place in the CMOS inverter. That is a straight line, that is a straight vertical line is going to be taking place at inversion threshold, inverse logic point, that is inverse threshold point, logic threshold point. That only happens in CMOS inverter. It is not happening in the NMOS inverter or BJT inverter. This is a special characteristic of CMOS inverter, where at V inversion point the output voltage is dropped by VTN plus VTP. Okay, so this characteristic is related to CMOS inverter definitely. So the answer for us is C.